This video is going to show you how to record your, when you take your exam Excel assignments, you've got to record it and post the recording on YouTube. And I'm going to walk you through and show you how this is done. So let's start with the first step. The first step is to open up Zoom, right? You opened up Zoom. I have disabled my video because I didn't, right now my screen capture system the Zoom will interfere with that, and therefore I'm going to start with a new meeting and we're going to share screen, right? And I'm going to share screen 2. So all of you should be seeing screen 2, and you see the green boundary here, which means you're sharing that screen. And then you can start recording on this computer. So now this button here shows that you're recording on this computer. And then you click Excel. All right? You click Excel, you start working on Excel, you work through your exam. If you need to take a break, you stop, you pause your share, or you stop recording. You can stop, you can pause recording, you can stop recording. Let's say because you're going to work on this multiple times, you can stop recording, take that one file, post it, but you've got to show me that you're actually working on this. Now remember, you need to have your video on. Make sure you have your video so I know that you are actually doing this Excel file. If I don't see you doing the work, I don't know that you've done the work, and it'll be a straight 0. So I want you to do that. And once you have done, once you have finished working and you want to stop, you can stop recording and you can stop sharing. Once you stop sharing, you can end the meeting, right? And once you end meeting, you will see Zoom converting this meeting into a video file. Okay? So it's going to take some time and remember, since you are going to be working for an hour, 2 hours, it's going to take some time to convert it. And once you convert it, to get to that, it'll automatically open up where it's stored. But for those of you who want to know where Zoom stores it, goes to Documents, go to Zoom, and then you'll see here, this is the Zoom meeting, and the Zoom -04.mp4. This is your video file. And I would like for all of you, and I'll post a Word document here on how to create a YouTube account. This is the Word document, or I'll post a PDF file along with this video, how to create it, and you will then post this up on YouTube. So here, let me go to YouTube. Here I am on YouTube. You can go to Create, Upload Video, and then you can select, you can drag and drop the file if you want to. So you can go here and select this and drop it, and you can tell me what this file is all about, and then save it. And then when you save it, make sure you you make it, when you publish it, let's go next, and in the visibility, make sure it's public or unlisted. If it's unlisted, then if you give me the link, I'll know where it is. And once, or you can make it public, everybody can see the video, but I would make it unlisted. And then once you click save, it'll upload it. You can copy that link, and you will then, once you copy the link, you will, when you submit it on Blackboard, you will copy that link and show me where you've done your particular exam. Okay? So this is something I want all of you to do at least once to make sure that you do it right.